Hello everyone, hope all you guys doing very well. Today I will show you how we clean the valve, intake valves, and what is the benefit of cleaning the intake valves. This engine is from 2008 and up model Camry. So this is the machine we use to clean the valves. Cleaning the valves require time to time. Surprisingly, newer engine produce more carbon deposit in intake valves than the older engines. I have no idea why, but this is the truth. So as you can see, too much carbon deposit on the valve. Cleaning the valves actually make the engine runs more smoothly and make it more efficient. This engine use port injector and the direct injector. So port injector basically spray a fuel on top of the intake valves, so they need to be cleaned. The cleaning the valve on port injector make it more efficient. We need to close the holes and we need to rotate the engine to close the valve before start cleaning. As you can see, we are cleaning the valves here, and I will show you how they look like after cleaning. So as you can see, uh, let me show you. So as you can see how they look like before cleaning, it requires some more cleaning, but I just want to show you how they look like. So this is before the cleaning. As you can see, too much carbon deposit on the intake valves. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel.